let's do this. You want to do some master scalping real quick?
Let's go. I'm ready.
Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna set up the 30-second here.
Oh goodness, I don't know. The 1 minute was too fast. Imagine 30.
Yeah. We're gonna set up right here. We're gonna set this for a 1 minute. Okay, it looks like this. Then up here, I'm going to set this to options because I need this as my trading window, bottom right. This is my overall window. So here's the call. Now it's too late. There's puts. I'm in it. It missed the fill. Oh, now it entered the fill right here. There we go. Making money and 95 bucks. Waiting on this breathe back. Let me see if I actually got a fill. 335. Okay, so it ended up giving me 60 bucks instead of 95s. Everybody see this?
Coach, why do you do that with options and not stocks? Is it easier with options?
Well, I mean, because this portfolio doesn't have enough money in it. If this was a $1 million account, I could buy Tesla shares, right? Right here, I'm watching these candles. See this call? See the building pressure pushing, but it's gonna fade. It's gonna fade. Let me show you why. See this trend? We got to be careful. See how it's down, 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 down. If this doesn't get a giant push, which has to go across this body, which I'll draw it. As soon as it crosses this body, this is a call. Right here, bang, call. See it?
Yep.
And if this fades down to this body, and then I'm out into a put. A little more push, a little more push. It's so close, I can't tell because I'm not in it. There it goes. That's the money. See it? Ding. That's it.
Yep.
It's like that, baby. That's what I'm talking
One
about.
day. One day.
Woo! It's beautiful, man. Just brings a tear to my eye, Lolo. See the weakness? Weakness. Everybody see that weakness? Now I'm going to wait. I'm actually going to trade this. Hold on. 11 seconds, 10 seconds. Give me a moment. This is where you got to be really fast. I'm waiting. If this candle breaks this previous body's candle right here, I'm going to hit it, but I got to be careful. The 200. 0 seconds. See how it didn't break this previous body? It's just flat. So that's no good for a call. See this?
Yes, sir.
So, but do you see? You got to be quick, man. Got to be quick, Lolo.
So let's say how you drew that trend line, right? If it goes above that trend line, obviously calls.
Yeah, this
does it become support even though it's
no, not necessarily. No, not with a trend line. No. See how it's moving to the upside? Do you see how this is all strong right here? Oh, look at that. See, I missed it, but there it goes. There it is. 30 bucks. Don't know if I made it. Let me see if what it sold it at. Oh yeah, I did. Wow, it actually gave me 30 bucks. Okay, nice. Why not?
Usually 100 times you got 3,000.
Yeah, usually it doesn't give you a good fill because this was light speed, baby. Bang, 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 bang. All right, now it's pulling back below the 200, but you've got momentum to the upside now, Lolo. That means you're stronger trending to the upside than the downside. We're keeping an eye on this. Let me get rid of this one. I'm watching 200 though. I'm not in this trade. Look at this big pull. Now that changes completely. That's a huge pull. Now right here, Lolo, I'm watching this spot. Let me show you now. See this spot?
Yep.
Now I'm watching that. If that breaks below, buddy, oh, like it's getting heavy. I will be in puts. Yeah, I'm in it now, just in case. I'm trying to get in a little early. There it is. I entered another one. Tried to. Cancel that order. Take this one. Bang. There's a $150 profit. See that, Lolo?
Yep.
Let me see if I actually got a good fill. It gave me 100, not 150, but I'll take it. So now we're down here in the put range, but I told you if it broke this, I tried to add 2 of them. I don't know if you guys saw that. It didn't grab the second one. I had to cancel the second order and then go in and sell my first one.
I did, yep.
Yep. And these need to be over here because I can't see the damn things. There we go. Let me look. It's still showing put. The reason that is, Lolo, is because off that heavy pull, there it goes. Hold on, let me make money. Come on, a little more. I'll take it. 25. Let me see what I got. I got 10, but I'll take it. Still in a put. Can you tell me why that's still a put, Lolo? Obviously, you can see it now, but why was it still a put when I called it on this candle?
Because it was a continuation of the last 2 red candles.
That's right, because it never decided to come back, even close to back up, which means there's 0 strength to the upside, right?
So if that one does the same thing, it says down, and we might get another red candle, even if it stays green.
That is correct, but because it's breathed back so much here, or pulled back so much here, you could now get a blowback back up here to this 215, right to here. If this body breaks this candle, it could push back to 215. So right here is indecisive. See this one?
Yep.
This one looks like it wants to push to the upside, but your overall trends to the downside. That means I wouldn't touch this one yet. It needs to tell me you're going to come down here, or you're coming up here, and I'm not touching you until you tell me it's starting to come down. I'm going to set up, but I'm not making any decisions until this tells me off of these 2 candles. There it is. That's the upside. See the upside? Bang.
Yep.
There it goes.
Nailed it.
Yep. And I'll take my money. $7. Oh, it broke even. Oh, but that would have been it. And there you go. There's your call. You see what I'm saying?
Yes, sir. Thank you, Coach.
I scalped along with you there, single contracts. I made about $54 total. So.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, you know, and as long as you can read, see how this is a sign of weakness. See right there? Yeah, I could tell you off this one. But if this, I was just gonna say, if this breaks this though, boom, call. Right? We got to go by these last two candles. As soon as it breaks the previous body candle, you're on the other side. Now, what are we looking for, Lolo? Right up here.
We're looking for that top to be broken to get on calls.
Yep, right there. Yep. See this big push down, right? So that's showing selling pressure, but I'm undecided here. See, this is stair stepping up. Bang, 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 right? See them all?
Yes, sir.
So we're going overall trend. I mean, look at this trend. See it? And now right here, as soon as it
Calls.
breaks through that, calls.
Yep.
But you saw a big blowback right here. So you better be fast to the switch.
It might come back down right there.
Yes. Yeah, because it'll push right back. You can see it's doing it here. See this? So be careful. But this is a call above 288 and then big pushback. See, there it goes. There's your pushback. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful. There it is. You're in the trade there. That's nice. Got no pushback. That's good sign for up, 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 right?
Yep.
That means it broke through. That's beautiful right there. Nice. That pop.
So each candle is pretty much telling you how to write your story or how to trade your trade, do your trade.
Absolutely. So I look at each candle individually, plus obviously the candles right next to it. Plus I look at the overall trend of what's been happening. Then I'm going back, of course, like I tell all of you, right? The 200, the MA, any, key areas, support and resistance. If not, though, I am literally scalping these candles. Every single one. I can tell you by the way that the volume pushes or what it was doing, where it's going. I mean, this is at some point you guys will get here. Once you get here, this is the end game, by the way. Because if you can read this, let me show you guys something. Let me show you a little something. This will blow your mind. You ready for this one? So everything I just showed you, right, Lolo and team? Watch this. I can apply this to anything I want. Now,
that was my next question.
Yep. Now, because I know what candles do based upon what they were, where they're going, and how they act, I can move this basically to any candle time frame if I want to then do intraday swings, right? So if this was a 1 minute candle and we're scalping this, we're going to apply the same thing to this, right? Now we're in a day though. Do you see what I'm saying, Lolo?
Yes, sir.
What's the overall trend looking like off these candles?
It's a downtrend.
Yep.
So we will have to break that top right there.
That's
in order
right.
to get on calls for a swing.
That's right. Or this body, like when our 1 minutes happen, right?
Oh, yep.
Yeah, this giant body needs to stay above, which you can see it's formed above this one and go higher. And as soon as it breaks here, which is funny because we actually have this marked. This, I can't zoom in on it. This line is marked. Look, see this body?
Yep.
As soon as it breaks that, boom, big driving factor to the upside. So we're literally just taking a giant time frame, shifting this thing into a bigger swing trade. And we could do the same off of our day chart. See our day chart? See how it's a nicely stair step up, 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 up. But then look, see the big candle pull? So this is not a sign of confidence to me on this, unless again, this body is higher than this one, right?
Correct.
I need an engulfing candle off the daily here. Otherwise, this is still a put. Do you see how I can apply this though to a day?
Yep. So you can buy, let's say, start a position once it engulfs the previous candle.
Correct.
And then if it goes above the wick, maybe, or if you have your 200 or whatever on there,
Yep.
if it breaks it, then you add more to your position because it's going on an uptrend.
That's correct. And just like here, you see the 200 off this?
Yes, sir.
So if it breaks that, you already know you're in a strong position to the upside, just like we always do, right?
Yep.
And then there it goes. I mean, but if you look at this day, right? And this, remember I called this out down here at 100 and here it is. It's literally been driving ever since. See the overall trend? That's your trend. But every day you could have looked at it. See right here. Look at this is a perfect example. This was a day. See this one? See it all red?
Yep.
Look what it did the very next day.
Came down.
And then look at where this body went higher than this candle. See this one?
And if we read the book that you recommended, that doji is indecision. So you got to wait to the next candle to see what direction the stock is going to take.
Yep, that's right. But look right here. You see how this body is higher than this one? Bang, that's your entry. See how these were all flat? None of those were a call. Do you see them?
Yep.
That's what I'm saying. So you can take what I've got. You can apply it across the board to every single thing.
Coach, that's going to help out a lot.
Yep, that's good. And here, see how this broke the 200, broke VWAP, heading to the upside.